your quarry. If anyone's sober enough to drive a car. Best way in the world to stop your head from buzzing. Only you gotta be careful to dive where the deep pool is. If you hit a rock, you don't come up till tomorrow. How is my sister?
She's doing okay.
And how is the baby?
They don't come before morning. Someone's go home and get a little shut out.
Does that mean that we ought to be alone in here?
Yeah, just you and me, Blanche. Unless you got somebody hidden by bed. What you all dressed up for?
Oh, that's right. You arrived before my wire came.
You got a wire?
I received a telegram from an old admirer of mine.
What to? Fireman's ball?
The cruise of the Caribbean on a yacht.
Well.
I've never been so surprised in my life.
I guess not.
It came like a bolt from the blue.
Who did you say it was from?
An old admirer of mine.
The one that got white fox pieces.
Mr. Shep Huntley. I wore his Ethiopian my last year at college. I hadn't seen him again until last Christmas. I ran into him on the Biscayne Boulevard. Then, just now, this wire embarked me on a cruise of the Caribbean. The problem is clothes. I tore in my trunk to see what clothes I have that are suitable for the tropics.
And come up with that gorgeous diamond tiara.
It's all relic. It sounded right.
Gosh. What is Tiffany diamonds?
Well, anyhow, I shall be entertained in style.
Just goes to show. You never know what's coming.
Just when I thought my luck had begun to fail me.
Into the picture, Pops. Miami millionaire.
This man is not from Miami. This man is from Dallas.
This man is from Dallas?
Yes, this man is from Dallas, where gold spurts out of the ground.
Well, just say it's from somewhere.
Oh, close the screen before you undress any further.
This is all taking off right now. See the bottle opener? He used to have a cousin who could open a bottle with his teeth. It's all he could do. His only accomplishment in life. He was just a human beer bottle opener. And this one time, at a wedding party, he broke his front teeth off. After that, he was so ashamed of himself, he used to sneak out every time company came. Rain from heaven! What is he bury the hatchet and make a loving couple, huh?
No, thank you.
I guess it's a bit red line for us both. You being your own millionaire, and me having a baby.
What are you doing in here?
Sometimes I break out on special occasions like this. Silk pajamas like I wore on my wedding night.
Oh.
When the telephone rings, and I say you've got a son, I'll tear it off and wave it like a flag. I guess we're both entitled to put it on the dog.
When I think of how divine it's going to be to have such a thing as privacy once more, I can weep for joy.
This millionaire from Dallas is not going to interfere with your privacy any.
Something you know not. This man is a gentleman and he respects me. What he wants is my companionship. Having great wealth sometimes makes people lonely.
How would I know about that?
Cultivated woman. A woman of intelligence and breeding can enrich a man's life immeasurably. I have these things to offer and this doesn't take them away. Physical beauty is passing. Transitory possession. Beauty of the mind and richness of the spirit and tenderness of the heart. And I have all of those things, aren't taken away, but grow, increase with the years. How strange that I should be called a destitute woman when I have all of these treasures locked in my heart. I think of myself as a very, very rich woman. But I've been foolish, casting my pearls before swine.
Swine, huh?
Yes, swine, swine. And I'm thinking not only of you, but of your friend, Mr. Mitchell. He came to see me tonight. He dared to come here at his workplace and to repeat slander to me, vicious stories that he had gotten from you. I gave him his walking papers.
You did, huh?
But then he came back. He came back with a box of roses, and he begs my forgiveness. He implored my forgiveness. But some things are not forgivable. Deliberate cruelty, is not forgivable. It is the one unforgivable thing, in my opinion, and it is the one thing of which I have never, ever been guilty. So I told him, I said, thank you, but it was foolish of me to think that we could ever adapt ourselves to each other. Our ways of life are too different, our interests and backgrounds are incompatible. So farewell, my friend, and let there be no hard feelings.
Was this before or after the wire came from the Texas oil mill?
Wire? No, after. As a matter of fact, the wire came.
As a matter of fact, there was no wire at all. A Michigan with roses. Find out where it is. There's a goddamn thing with imagination, and lies, and conceit, and tricks. And look at yourself. Take a look at yourself. I've worn out Marty Griffin, rent 50 cents for the old rat picker, been a crazy crowd on. What queen do you think you are? I've been out from the start. Now once you pull the water out of his eyes, come here and spray powder, and spray perfume, and colorless paper lanterns, the place turned to Egypt. You're the queen of the Nile, sing on your throne, swilling down my liquor. So I say, ha, ha! You hear me? Ha, ha, ha!
Operator, give me long distance, please. I want to get in touch with Mr. Shep Huntley. Oh, he's so well known, he doesn't require any address. Just ask anybody who... No, wait! I couldn't find it right now. Please understand. Oh, one moment, please. Operator, never mind long distance, get me Western Union. There isn't time to be... Western Union. Western Union? Yes, I want to, take down this message. In desperate circumstances, help me. Caught in a trap, oh!
Nothing phone off the hook. Get by me. Sure. Go ahead.
Stand over there.
You have plenty of room to talk more by me now.
Not with you there. But I've got to get out somehow.
You think I'll interfere with you? Come to think of it. And you wouldn't be bad to interfere.
Stay back. Don't you come any closer or I'll...
What?
Something awful will happen, it will.
What are you putting on now?
I want you, don't. I'm in danger.
Just do that.
So I can twist it in your face. I would. I will if you...
So you want some roughhouse? Fine. Let's have some roughhouse.